Good morning, Saram student. My name is Ishika. Today I'm all welcome you all in Oshima online classes. This is your maths period. In this maths, today we will start with our new chapter. That is chapter number 8, numbers from 21 to 50. In this chapter, we will do questions like ascending, descending, number names, or make a group of 10. Okay, like these type of questions. Matching is also there. So before starting the lesson, I would like to ask you some questions, and also remind you about the one digit number as well as the second digit number, two digit numbers. Okay, and what is the difference between them, and how can we write them, how can we express all the numbers, and what is the concept behind all these numbers. Okay, so do not make it very tough. Let's start uh, working. So children, when we are writing number counting, that is from 1 to 9, if you see, the numbers are single in form. Look at these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you see all these numbers are single, one digit only. Okay, so but after 9, 10. If you see the 10 is made by two numbers, that is 1 and 0. So if you want to write 10, you will require two numbers, that is 1 and 0. Okay, so now you can easily understand that from 10 we have our two digit numbers. Okay, so from 10 onwards we have two digit numbers started, like 11. Look, 1 and 1, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and onwards. Okay, so if you see these numbers, they are made by two numbers, that's why we call them two digit numbers. 1 and 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5, 1 and 6, 1 and 7, 1 and 8, 1 and 9, and 2, 0, 20. Then 2 and 1, 21, 2 and 2, 22. So when the 10 comes, so how do we write the next number? We will take 1. Okay, the first number, that is 1, and the 0. If you all know, the counting start from 0 only, but 0 has no value. That's why we make you to write numbers from 1, from 1. That's why we will not take 0, but the 0 is very important number. It doesn't mean that it has no place value, it has no value, that's why we will not take it. The 0 has its own importance. So when we write 9, after 9 we will write 10, so we want 1 and 0. Okay, then again this one will continue. Okay, and what we put? 1. Then first number 1 is continue, then we will write 2. Again 1 is same, first number is same, then we will write 3. Again 1, then we write 4. So if you see, these numbers are not changing. In this way you have to write counting. That's why it is very easy to write, because the first number is not changed, it will change in the right place. and 1 2 3 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. So here we have 1 with them, but after 90 it will 2 come. It means after 9 the first 10 will come. Now after 19, 20 will come. Okay, so what comes after 1? 2. So here we have 2 and 0. Then again we will write counting with 2, that is 2 and 1 21, 2 and 2 22, 2 and 3 23, 2 and 4 24, 2 and 5 25, 2 and 6 26, 2 and 7 27. Okay, now after 20 the first number will not change, it is remain same. The next number will change according to the counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. After 9, that is 29, we have 30. Okay, so if you see, first 10 will come, then 20 will come, and now 30 will come. So how do we do that? First of all 1, then 2, then 3, and 0 will be quite same. Okay, 0 will be quite same. So in this way you will learn how to write countings. Now here we have chapter that is from 21 to 50, but as you know we have done counting up to 500, and I hope you all have written the counting from 1 to 500 that we have done earlier in the month of April and May. Okay, as well as number names also, that is from 1 to 500. So children, so here you have to write counting, it is from 1 to 500 in your maths fair notebook, as well as number names, that is also from 1 to 500. And very soon I issue a PDF for these number names. If you have any confusion, so you can write easily on your notebook, in your notebook. Okay, so children, today we have chapter that is 8, numbers from 21 to 50. Okay, let's start with the new chapter. So here we have a chapter number 8, numbers from 21 to 50. So in this lesson we will do exercise of 2-digit number, or we will understand the concept of 2-digit number. How do we add them, how do we count them? Okay, so if you see this picture, this is fill in the blanks. So here what we have to do, here there is a bundle of matchstick, that I think that is 10 in numbers. Okay, there is one bundle of matchstick. In one bundle is there are 10 sticks. Okay, then we have separate 8 sticks beside that. So here we have one bundle, in this we have 10 matchstick, plus we have 8 matchstick separate. So what it become? 10 plus 8. If we count 10 plus 8, what comes? 18. Okay, so here we have number 18. So before doing this, we should know what is the importance of 10. We have to learn to making bundles of 10. Suppose I will give you, children, suppose I have make lot of lines here. I don't know how many lines are there. Okay, now we have to make here group of 10. So here you have to make a group of 10. So how do we do that? First of all, count 10 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here we make a group of 10. Okay, then after 10, how many are remaining? 2. It means we have 10 mastic in bundle and 2 in separate. So 10 plus 2 is equal to, after 10 count, you have to add 10 with 2, it comes 12. Okay, so you should keep in mind that from 10 we have started with our 2-digit number, or we will count them in this way only, or read the numbers in this way only. Okay, so prior you have to learn how to make a group of 10. That we will do earlier. Now we will start the begin with the book exercises. So here the girls with matchsticks. This is the bundle of 10 matchstick, and here 8 separate, so it becomes 18. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Now again one bundle of 10 matchstick, and count the matchstick separate. 1 2 3 4 5. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, next again 10 is there. Again count the separate matchstick. 11 12 13 14 15 16. So here we have to write down 16. In this way you have to count the numbers here, and you have to draw the bundles also and ones also. The number is given here. Okay, so the last number that is in last place, the value of this place is ones, and the next number, its place value is tens. Okay, so why we are taking ones first? Why we are not saying tens first? Because whenever you are doing subtraction, or whenever you will do minus, you will start your doing sum with this way, with this side. Okay, so you have to keep in your mind that last unit place is very important. It will decide the whole structure of the sum. Okay, so now here let's start with it. In this box we have to draw the bundles and ones. So here we have 10 1. So here we have to make one bundle of 10, anything you will take. So what we do, I will not use matchstick here, I will use dots. So in one box I will put 10 dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and in one line days 5 is rewritten, so I will put 1 2 3 4 5. So if we count all these dots, they become 15. Okay, now in the next box the picture is draw, only the number we have to write. So if you go this side, 10 side, only one bundle is there, so we will write down only 1. And how many ones are there? 2. So in the box of ones we will write 2, and together the number come 12. That is right, you have to write in circle. Okay, now in the next question also, next tens and ones. So here we have to make 2 bundles of 10 dot. In each box we have to draw put 10 dots. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In this way you have to do it. And in ones there is nothing, that is 0, so we will not do anything here in one's line, and when we count them they become 20. Okay, in this way you have to do all this question. Now in the next page same thing is given. You have to count the bundles and write the number here. how many bundles will come in 10th line and how many number will comes in 1st line. Okay, now here we have topic that is numbers from 21 to 40. Okay, here we have to write down counting in the given circle. Okay, and wherever the blank space is given, there you have to write down the matchstick bundles or picture according to the given instruction. Now if you see 21, 2 bundles are there and 1 matchstick is there, it becomes 21. Then 22, 2 bundles are, it means bundles are same in first line, same, only this number is changing. First 1 matchstick will come, then 2 has come. Now it means we have to make down 3. Okay, then 4 matchstick is there, 5, now 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, in this way we have to draw the bundles here as well as matchstick, or sometime we have to write down only the numbers as per the given picture. Okay, so children, you have to do this work up to page number 106 in your book. We will meet very soon. Thank you and Sai Ram.